Are you looking for the best 3D printers under $500? Well, you're in the right place, and no, you don't need to sell a kidney to afford one. We're diving deep into the world of affordable 3D printing, where you get more bang for your buck without skimping on the cool features. Let's dive in and find out which printers are totally worth the hype and your hard-earned cash. Spoiler alert, they're legit amazing. Starting off our list at number 3 is the Anycubic Cobra 2 Pro, and let me tell you, this printer is fast, like really fast. We're talking a speed that's 10 times faster than your average 3D printer. It zooms up to 500 millimeter per second, but you'll probably chill at around 300 for most of your prints. This is super cool if you're all about getting things done quick. Plus, it's got this neat Anycubic app. You can control your prints from your phone, which is honestly a big win. It's like having a remote control for your printer, making everything way more convenient. Design-wise, Anycubic has stepped up their game. They've tweaked the extruder and cooling system to make sure the filament, that's the stuff you print with, gets where it needs to go faster and cools down quickly. This means your prints will look smooth and sharp, with a way fewer of those annoying lines. Now, let's talk about the brains of this printer. It's packed with a Cortex A7 1.2 GHz processor, which basically means it thinks and moves fast, no lag here. It's also pretty compact, taking up about as much space as a small backpack, and it weighs 20 pounds, so it won't hog your desk space. And the best part? It's only $280. That's a total steal for what you're getting. So yeah, the Anycubic Cobra 2 Pro is a solid choice if you want a fast, smart, and space-friendly printer without emptying your wallet. Alright, so at number 2, we've got the Elegoo Neptune 4 Pro. This printer is a speed demon. We're talking a blazing 500 millimeters per second speed, all thanks to its Clipper firmware and beast of a processor. This one's a total win for anyone who's all about that sharp, precise print life. Now, here's something cool that really caught my eye. It's got these segmented heated zones. What does that mean for you? Well, it's like having a smart energy-saving mode and faster warm-up times, especially clutch for those big-time projects. Plus, the dual-gear direct drive extruder is super smooth, keeping those annoying clogs at bay. Ease of use? It's got it in spades. With 121 points for auto bed leveling and a high-temp nozzle, it plays nice with a bunch of materials like PLA, PETG, ABS, TPU, and nylon. Size-wise, it's a bit of a unit at 17.5 inches in depth, 18.7 inches in width, and 20.3 inches in height, and weighs around 19.6 pounds, but it's still pretty chill for most setups. Priced at $360, the Neptune 4 Pro is a solid pick if you're after something that's fast, precise, and user-friendly without going broke. And here it is, the big reveal. Taking the top spot at number 1, we've got the Creality Ender 3 S1 Pro. This beast is the real MVP in the under $500 league. Its dual-gear direct drive extruder is the star player, delivering smooth and steady filament feed, which is a total win for printing with bendy stuff like TPU. The 4.3-inch touchscreen is super user-friendly, speaks 9 languages, talk about multi-talented, and even dims down to save energy. Pretty smart, huh? The removable PEI spring steel print sheet is a game-changer, making it a breeze to pop off your prints with top-notch stickiness. And with the double Z axis motors, this printer is all about nailing those ultra-fine details. Size-wise, it's pretty chill for most spots at home, measuring 19.29 inches in depth, 17.72 inches in width, 24.41 inches in height, and weighing in at 11 kilograms. So the price is $459, which is kinda up there. But honestly, it's worth the splurge for what you get. Plus, Creality's got your back with solid after-sales support. So yeah, if you're all about that top-tier printing life, this one's a solid choice. And there you have it, folks. Our top picks for 3D printers under $500. If you're keen to get one, just click the links in the description or scan the QR codes. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for tuning in, and see you in the next video.